Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras with a very exciting unboxing. I've been eagerly waiting to get my hands on the Sony Alpha A6600 and I'm finally here to share the experience with you, so let's get started. First things first, let's take a look at the packaging. The Sony Alpha A6600 comes in a sleek black box with a picture of the camera on the front. It feels premium and sturdy, which is always a good sign. Now, let's see what's inside. As I open the box, I'm greeted by the camera itself. Nestled securely in protective foam, underneath we find a few accessories. A classic black strap, perfect for hanging the camera around your neck. A compact charger to keep your batteries topped up. It's always great to have a spare battery on hand, especially when you're out shooting for extended periods. For connecting the camera to your computer for transferring photos and videos. Let's take a closer look at the camera itself. The Sony Alpha A6600 is a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera, making it ideal for travel and street photography. The grip feels comfortable in the hand and the buttons are well placed and responsive. On the back, we have a tilting LCD screen, which is perfect for shooting from different angles. There's also a viewfinder, which is great for framing your shots in bright conditions. The camera features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and a fast autofocus system, making it capable of capturing stunning images and videos. 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers exceptional image quality and detail, perfect for capturing landscapes, portraits, and street photography. Fast autofocus ensures accurate focus tracking, even with fast-moving subjects, making it ideal for sports, wildlife, and action photography. 4K video recording, capture high-quality video footage at 4K resolution, perfect for vlogging, filmmaking, and time-lapse photography. 180-degree tilting LCD screen offers flexibility and convenience for shooting from different angles, such as overhead shots or low-angle shots. The Sony Alpha A6600 has a solid build quality with a magnesium alloy body that is both durable and lightweight. The camera's compact size and comfortable grip make it easy to handle and shoot with, even for long periods of time. The camera features a variety of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing you to easily transfer photos and videos to your smartphone or computer. Additionally, the A6600 offers a range of advanced features, such as intervalometer shooting for time-lapse photography, custom white balance settings, and a variety of creative filters. That's it for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Sony Alpha A6600. In my next video, I'll be sharing my first impressions after using the camera for a while. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content.